Good morning. Today is the day we're going to make those spring rolls that I was talking about with the rice Vietnamese spring roll wrappers and the rice noodles. Let me show you everything I have that I'm going to be putting in these spring rolls. Okay, so I have the noodles, which I'm going to put on here to cook in just a minute. I've got some carrots that I've already had, so I'm going to use these and cut them very thin. A cucumber, I'm going to cut that very thin. And instead of shrimp, I'm going to use this crab meat. And I don't know, we'll see how I cut it. I may just take one whole stick and put it in there. The spring roll wrappers. I already had this lettuce. I know it's not the best lettuce. And I had bought this cabbage, but it doesn't look so good. It's only been a couple of days, and I don't want that. So it's going away. And for now, that's all I'm going to put in them because I am practicing. I want to make sure I can roll these up good and not buy a bunch of, look, I know you can put cilantro and dill and basil and all different kinds of herbs, but I didn't buy any of that for this first round because I want to see how this goes. And for the peanut sauce, we got the hoisin sauce, the peanut butter, and this is a little bit of sriracha instead of buying the chili sauce. I'm just going to put some of that in there. All right, let's get the noodles cooking. Oh, and I forgot. I'm going to put some bell pepper in there. Some sweet bell pepper. I think the red one and yellow will give it some color. Well, the red one will for sure. Well, that was my first one. Oops. Where's my plate? Where be my plate? These are small wrappers. I think 100% sure, but they seem very small. That's one. It's called practice. It's practice egg rolls. Spring rolls, sorry. And they're sticky. There. Not very pretty, but it'll be good. I want to know how many of you watching has done this before. Isn't it fun? It's like, I don't know if I need more water or less water. And now it's time for the sauce. The peanut butter sauce. And I've saw a bunch of different recipes. So I'm just going to wing it myself. Some peanut butter. Some hoisin sauce. Never had, well, if I've had peanut butter sauce, I probably have had hoisin sauce before, but I've never bought it. That looks good, doesn't it? Little spice, sriracha, oop, and some water. It depends on how thin or thick you want your sauce or how much water you add. I saw even one said milk. I was like, ugh, no. No milk for me. I probably shouldn't have done this with the... Yeah, that wasn't smart. Where'd that spoon go? That wasn't smart. Oops. And then your tools break. I'll be back when it's the consistency that I like or want. I'm going to add some more of the hoisin sauce. I don't know why. Because I think it needs some. We're getting there. Looks like pudding, doesn't it? That's good. Got a little kick to it. Alright, let's try one of them. One thing that I think you need to not do is lean them up against each other because they're sticky. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Yeah. Well, they're kind of bland. I mean, they're fresh. Probably because I'm missing the spices. I mean, the herbs. But I feel like they need some soy sauce. That or lemon. Because of the crab. What do you think, Sammy? That's what I thought. Let me know down in the comments below if y'all fix these, if you like them, if you don't like them. What would you do different? Of course, add the herbs. I think that would give it a lot more flavor.